All right, here we go. This is Tyler's packet, week one. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Phillips. Hi, Tyler. How are you today? Great. Okay, so you guys received a packet like this on your front porch today. You have crayons, markers, snap cubes. Inside, you also have two pencils, um, five various colors of snap cubes. There are 10 on each row with the different colors. We are going to be doing a lot of different activities with the snap cubes, such as counting and things like that. So you want to keep up with these snap cubes as well. When he's writing, hand him the pencil directly in the middle. Do not hand it to his right or to his left or to his right because you're telling him which hand to grab it from. So when you give him a pencil, make sure it's directly in the middle. So when he will choose which hand he wants to grab it from, okay? All right, make sure you're working in your work area when you pull the paperwork out. For the paperwork portion of this packet, you always want to work in your work area because now he knows I'm going to do work, okay? There is what a hundreds chart inside of your packet. There will be this is called touch math. This is going to help when we are starting to add. So we want to introduce touch math, especially for kindergarten. I know he knows his numbers, but it's just when we're getting to adding and counting. So when he has this sheet, it's one, one. You see there's a tens frame. Make sure you say that word, tens frame. Count the one in the tens frame. So when he hears that lingo, he knows exactly what we're speaking about. Especially when he gets to kindergarten, we're kindergarten ready. Say for instance here, I'm flipped over to page 3. Now as you see, there are 3 dots. So when you're counting, 1, 2, 3. When you're writing, 1, 2, 3. Count the 3 in the tens frame. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So that's how you're going to do with this. You want to do this every day, just 2 or 3 minutes. You want to implement this every day, just getting that counting down, okay? So every day you want to do this 2 or 3 minutes a day in your work area. You must be in that work area, okay? So writing, I know the writing. So here we go, pencil directly in the middle. Let him choose which hand he wants to use. You will have to sit behind him and you're going to do a hand over hand method. So whichever hand he chooses, you're going to assist him and help him write his letters of his name. And when you're writing those letters of his name, make sure that you're saying those letters with those sounds. So it's Tyler, T, T, Y, Y, Y. He's going to fight you the entire time. But as you continue to do this throughout every day, 2 or 3 minutes, but we don't want to do these activities back to back. You might want to do this activity first and then wait a little while and then do this activity next. In this activity, one day, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you choose to start, you can start right at the top if you like, but choose whatever day you're going to do it on and make sure you say what day it is. And you're going to write his first name. And every day he's going to write that name. Once you're done with this, you can send me a picture of his work. You can put the date at the top so I can know that this is the day that he did that activity. If you want, you can bring them back to school also, but it's a little easier. You can just send me a snapshot and I'll have it saved on my drive, okay? Now also, Tyler and I will be working with this activity, but you can also, this is our colors folder. There are 2 sections for this color folder. There is the section with the name and the color, and then it's only the name. We are going to start with just the name and the color. So if you want to remove these and place them inside the Ziploc bag that I placed inside of his bag for you, that is a-okay. You can also only start with maybe just 2 colors. He knows these colors, but is he going to choose to do this activity? If you're working in your work area, no more than 5 to 10 minutes, and because we have to build that stamina up back working at home now, it's something different, so we have to build that up. So we'll start off 5 minutes, and then the next day maybe 10 minutes for a couple of days. So we're just going to build that stamina up with him working at home, and let's have some fun with this. Okay, so these are the colors we can choose. I will send you a video, and we're going to do 4 colors at a time, and you can play those video as you choose. If you want me to mix the colors up more, just shoot me an email or a dojo message, and I will do so with no problems. Well, guys, don't forget, have fun, and learning is always fun, and stay safe. Bye, Tyler.